Hello students, in this video I explain few more important problems of limits chapter. Now start first example. Limit x approaches to 0, 1 minus ax to the power 1 by x. To solve this problem, we use a standard result. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x is equals to e to the power a. Now this given result can be written as limit x tends to 0, 1 plus minus a into x to the power 1 by x. Now compare this with standard result, we get e to the power minus a. See, here we have minus a in the place of a. Here we get the result e to the power minus a. Option A is correct. See, next example, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax to the power b by x is equals to. See, to solve this problem, we use standard result. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x is equals to e to the power a. See, this given result can be written as limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x whole to the power b is equals to. Now this result compare with standard result. Here we get e to the power a whole to the power b. Now this result, this value can also be written as e to the power ab. This is the required solution for this limit. Now option A is correct. Say third example, limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta divided by theta into cos theta. To solve this problem, since theta approaches to 0, we substitute 0 in the place of theta. We get limit theta tends to 0, 1 minus cos theta divided by theta into cos theta. See, substitute 0 in the place of theta, we get the result 1 minus cos of 0 divided by 0 into cos of 0 is equals to 1 minus cos of 0 is 1 divided by 0 into cos of 0 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0 is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 0 form. So this is indeterminate form. Here we apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule states that derivative of numerator, derivative of denominator separately. Limit theta tends to 0, derivative of numerator d by d theta of 1 minus cos theta, 1 is 0, minus derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, minus into minus plus sin theta, divided by, see here we have two terms, product of this result, derivative of u into v form, theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta plus cos theta into derivative of theta is 1. See, this result is equals to limit theta tends to 0, 0 plus sin theta is sin theta divided by minus theta sin theta plus cos theta. See, here again we substitute 0 in the place of theta. Here we get sin of 0 divided by minus 0 into sin of 0 plus cos of 0 is equals to sin of 0 is 0 divided by, see, sin of 0 is 0, 0 we get first term in denominator, second term cos of 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 0 divided by 1 is equals to 0. The required solution. See here we have option C is correct. See here we have example. Limit x tends to 0, x into log of sin x base e. See, to solve this problem, since x approaches to 0, substitute 0 in the place of x. We get 0 into log of sin of 0 base e is equals to 0 into, see, log of sin of 0 is log of 0 base e is equals to log of 0 is infinity. 0 into infinity. This is not in the standard form. Now this result convert into 0 by 0 form or plus or minus 0 by 0 form or plus or minus infinity divided by plus or minus infinity form. So now this result can be written as limit x tends to 0 log of sin x divided by 1 by x, because denominator of denominator goes to numerator, we get x log of sin x. Now substitute 0 in the place of x, we get log of sin of 0 divided by 1 by 0 is equals to log of 0 divided by 1 by 0 is infinity, log of 0 is infinity, infinity by infinity. This is indeterminate form. Now here we can apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule states that derivative of numerator, derivative of denominator. Limit x tends to 0, derivative of log of sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x divided by derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 divided by x square. See, now this result can also be written as limit x tends to 0, cos x by sin x is cot x into minus 1 by x square. This result can be written as minus x square. See, now here substitute 0 in the place of x, we get 0 into 0 form. This is not in standard form. That's why cot x can also be written as 1 by tan x. Limit x tends to 0, cot x is 1 by tan x. See, x square can be written as split the result x into x. See here, x into x, here we have minus x. Now observe this result. This result in standard form, limit x tends to 0, x by tan x or tan x by x, the result can be written as 1. We know the form. Now substitute substitute 0 in the place of x in second form, we get 0 into 1. Here we get, see, this value is 1 into, substitute 0 in the place of x, we get 0 is equals to 1 into 0 is 0. See, 0 is the required solution. But here we have option minus 1, log 1, base e, 1 and not this. See, now here we know the concept. See, log 1 is 0. 0 can also be written as in a logarithmic form. 0 is equals to log 1 base e. So already we use this results. Log 10 is 1. Log 1 is 0. Log of 0 is infinity. Now here we get the result is 0. This value can also, 0 can also be written as log 1. Log 1 is the required solution. See, here we have option B is correct. To solve this problem, we use standard result. Limit x tends to infinity, x minus x plus alpha divided by x plus beta to the power x plus k is equals to e to the power alpha minus beta. So this given result can be written as limit x tends to infinity, x minus 3 can be written as plus of minus 3 divided by x plus 2 is equals to power is here we have x. See now here compare this result with standard result. See, instead of alpha we have minus 3, instead of beta we have 2. This result can be written as e to the power alpha is minus 3, beta is 2 is equals to e to the power minus 5, which is the required solution. So e to the power minus 5 is option C is correct. To solve this problem, we use standard result limit x tends to infinity, x plus alpha divided by x plus beta to the power alpha minus x plus k is equals to e to the power alpha minus beta. See now this result, this limit function compare with standard result, we get, see here, limit x tends to infinity, x plus a divided by x plus b to the power x plus b is equals to, this result instead of alpha we have a, instead of beta we have b. This result can be written as e to the power a minus b. See here we have option C is the correct option. See the value of limit x approaches to 0, 1 plus 5x square divided by 1 plus 3x square to the power 1 by x square. To solve this problem, we use standard result limit x tends to 0, 1 plus ax to the power 1 by x is equals to e to the power a. So this is a standard result. Now the given result can be written as, see limit, here we have given result x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x square divided by 1 plus 3x square to the power 1 by x square. This result can be written as limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x square to the power 1 by x square divided by limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 3x square to the power 1 by x square. Now this result compare with standard form, we get e to the power 5 divided by e to the power 3. See here, instead of a we have 5. See in denominator, instead of a we have 3. See instead of x, here we have x square, denominator also x square. So now this result can be written as e to the power a value is 5. Now this result is equals to e to the power 5 minus 3. Denominator transposed to numerator, power becomes negative. See e to the power minus 3, half that powers 5 minus 3 is equals to e to the power 2. E to the power 2 is the solution for this result. Here we have option A is correct. See, here we have limit x tends to 0, integral of 0 to x square secant square t into dt divided by x into sin x. So to solve this problem, first simplify numerator result. Here we have integral of 0 to x square secant square t into dt. See, integral of this result, integral of secant square t is tan t. See, this is definite integral. Apply limits. Upper limit is x square, lower limit is 0. First, substitute upper limit tan of x square minus tan of lower limit 0. See, tan of x square minus tan of 0 is 0. Here we get tan of x square. Now substitute tan of x square in the place of 0 to x square integral secant square t into dt. Therefore, the given result becomes, limit extends to 0, tan of x square divided by x into sin x. See, now this result convert into standard result form. Limit x tends to 0, tan x divided by x. But now here we have x square. Now denominator result x convert into x square form. That's why here multiplied and divided by x. Here we get x into x square. Tan of x square divided by x square into this result can be written as x by sin x form. Now this result can be written as limit x tends to 0, tan of x square divided by x into x is x square. Split this limit into, can write limit x tends to 0, second term x divided by sin x. Now apply this result. Limit x approaches to 0, tan of x square divided by x square. This value is 1. Now this result known as 1 into limit x tends to 0. We know the result x by sin x is also equals to 1. 1 into 1 is equals to 1. See, option B is the required result. Solution. To solve this problem, first we split numerator terms, power terms. Say limit x tends to infinity, 3 to the power, here we have x plus 1 minus 5 to the power x plus 1 divided by 3 to the power x minus 5 to the power x. See, first split the power term results. Limit x tends to infinity. Here we get 3 to the power x into 3 to the power 1 minus 5 to the power x into 5 to the power 1 divided by 3 to the power x minus 5 to the power x. See, in this result, I multiplied and divided by 5 to the power x in first term. Multiplied and divided by 5 to the power x, and denominator also 5 to the power x into 3 to the power x divided by 5 to the power x minus 5 to the power x. See, now here we can take 5 to the power x common, both numerator and denominator. We get 5 to the power x of this remaining result can be as 3 by 5 to the power x into 3 minus 5. Denominator 5 to the power x into 3 by 5 whole to the power x minus 1. See, 5 to the power x, 5 to the power x gets cancelled. Now I substitute infinity in the place of x. We get 3 by 5 to the power infinity into 3 minus 5 divided by 3 by 5 to the power infinity minus 1 is equals to 3 by 5 to the power infinity is 0 into 3 minus 5 divided by 0 minus 1. 3 by 5 to the power infinity is 0 is equals to 0 into 3 is 0 minus 5 divided by minus 1 is equals to 0 minus 5 is minus 5 divided by minus 1. Minus 1 minus get cancelled. Here we get 5. So option A is correct. Now I explain why I consider 3 divided by 5 whole to the power infinity is 0, because A by B to the power infinity is equals to 0 when A less than B. In another condition, A divided by B to the power infinity is equals to infinity when A greater than B. Thank you, dear students. Remaining questions I will teach in next video.